In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a table in Visual Studio Code. But first, let's create a new extension. Select View and then Command Palette. Select ALGO, give it a decent name, like for example Car Management. Then select version 4.0 and finally select the Microsoft Cloud Sandbox. Now I'm first going to remove the Hello World, so right click and then select Delete. Next, let's download the symbols via the command palette. So select View, Command Palette, and then AL Download Symbols. Voila. And then in the app.json file, I can change the name of the project and the publisher. So let's change this to Microsoft. Okay. Let's create a new file for our table. Let's give it the name car.table.al. Once created, we can use the snippet tTable, select it, and change the ID and the name. So 50,100, and then the name will be car. I'm adding some extra properties over here, like the caption, setting this to car. And then I'm going to change the first field into number and then of type code 20. Okay, let's give it a caption as well. And then because I changed this into customer content, I'm also going to change the data classification of the number into customer content. You can see a list over here, and I'm going to select customer content. Now next I'm going to change the primary key because I changed this into the name number. So let's select number. And then we don't need this code at this moment, so let's just remove this code. Okay. Now I'm going to add an extra field with the snippet t field. So let's select it. Let's give it number 2 and then description as the name. And this is of type text 50. Let's set the data classification to customer content and let's set the caption property as well. So let's put this into description.